Yeah, what up, folks? Let me show you how easy it is to install a new software on your iTester by Ditex. Now, I don't get sponsored by Ditex. I'm just gonna let that be known from the door, right? I mean, I don't mind, but I don't. Right. So the next thing I do is send them an email requesting the update for the software. They will definitely hit you back up within the 24 hours. They'll send you a zip file with the instructions. Once you get that, you're going to download it onto your laptop, right? You want to take your SD card out your iTester, install it onto your laptop, and once you got that on your laptop, you just want to paste it onto the update folder for the iTester, right? It's that simple. Yeah, when that's complete, you're gonna eject the SD card, put it back onto your iTester. You definitely gotta get a power source, right? So I got my little setup right there, so I'm just gonna show you how I did it. Right, you just gonna put the SD card back in, go to settings, and you're gonna power it up, hit the update button, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now you got a data logger, right? So you may ask what I'm gonna use that for, right? So this little tool has many features, and Ditex decided to add a data logger to their tool. So you can use this data logger to monitor things from like the parasitic draw. You could also monitor like voltage and current, right? Of recorded signals prior, and also it can record up to 1 second to 10 hours, right? So, and also you can save it, right? I think it's saved for like 30 days or something like that, then it overwrites. But the last update I had was in 2020 for this tool, right? So it was due for update anyway. So when they send the updates, right? Also, before I forgot, right? If you're not on their mail list, you can send them your serial number for your iTester, and they will put you on their mailing list. So anytime they have an update, they will send you one, right? So you just keep updating your SD card just the same way, right? And you also have the cool features that they have on this iTester. I use this iTester a lot, right? It's just a quick in and out, especially like if I want to check a compression test. I haven't used it for the real pressure sensor for diesel as yet, but I hope they come up with some real quick. But when it comes to compression, I use it real quick on any tool that I want to get in and out, like have a misfire. That's what I use that tool for. Yeah, so they also include the manual for this data logger. I didn't read it as yet, but I plan to. Right, so this is just a portable tool I use a lot when I go into like trying to figure out misfire. And so since they add the data logger to it, I could probably use it for parasitic draw or just certain things I want to monitor over a period of time, and I don't have to bring up the big boys. It's right here, it's portable. Right? Yeah, and I must say, Ditex do supply us with a lot of information. If you go on their website, right, it's Ditex, and you will see like a whole breakdown on sensors and what it does and how to test it. And they have a scope also, which I have, 4-channel scope. It's really cool, right? And as I said, man, don't forget to hit Ditex up and see what cool things they got. Until next time, take it easy.